What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in today's video we are going to be taking a look at Resurrection Remix, the latest one for our Galaxy S8 Plus. Still don't know whether the developer has released it for the Galaxy S8, but when it releases I will be sure to leave a link in the description. But just look at this, how beautiful it looks, as this is the same developer which is working for this AOSP ROM for our Galaxy S8. Bugs are same, such as no camera, no VoLTE and many other stuff such as fingerprint scanner, 3D touch button, iris scanner. It would take a lot of time to get them working, so yeah, just stop crying. I have full GApps installed over here, but the main thing comes around in the settings app. As you can see, you have a pixel theme going on over here. Going to the about phone, it is Resurrection Remix 5.8.5, which is the latest version. Even if you go to the Android version 7.1.2, even if you go to the display, there is only one thing added over the Lineage OS, which would be the night light, which doesn't work, as you can see. Even if you select for the time, if you go to the configurations, everything is not working at the time, but yeah, most of the things work, such as the UI element stuff, for example clock customization. Now all of the features are same, so I'm not going to waste your time because there are just a shit ton. Battery and custom logos and stuff, which is just retarded, having the logo in status bar. So you have a header, task manager, pretty good. You can enable it too. You get it over here. You can tap it to get a full view of your RAM, where it is going. You can kill all the apps through over here. Then you have the volume panel, notification, power dialog, normal stuff. Going to the recent apps panel, as you know, Resurrection Remix, you have 4 types of recent apps panel over here. First one would be the grid. Let's just restart the UI. If you open more apps such as this phone, messenger, look at the speed, Google Chrome, clock, you will get this all new grid animation. Not a huge fan. You have the Omni switch. You have to actually enable the Omni switch through over here too, and basically you will get a sidebar. It actually pretty much uses the edge panel, which is good. And yeah, if you miss the edge panel, you also have this option too. You can just drag and get your recent apps panel. Then you also have slim recents. Again the same thing, it comes from the side, but you don't have any kind of handle for it. You can enable it through over here. Then you have lock screen, you have lock UI. You can basically disable everything and get a clean UI on your lock screen, basically like this, just clean. Then you have pie control and stuff. Pie control doesn't work right now. App circle bar too. Then you have the buttons. You can also enable and disable the navigation bar. You also get the expanded desktop. Then you have system wide animation. You also have accent color. Let's just select it for something different. Let's just set it for the teal, the stock one. Then you have your normal stock feel. You have blur personalization. Let's just enable it. Blurs the background. Pretty simple stuff. Then you have miscellaneous such as system app renewal, suspend actions, which is quite good to be honest. Then you also can update your ROM directly through over here. Now coming to the quick toggles, as you can see there are just shit ton of them, so we will just take a look at the added ones, which would be the performance mode. You can quickly toggle your system performance through here. Then you have the inverted colors, partial screenshot such as the hidden feature, where you can just hold it, the screen becomes dim. Then you can just screenshot the part you want. Extremely useful if you use Instagram. Then you have the app picker to just launch any kind of app, pretty cool. Then you also have heads up notification, your language if you want to just change it anytime. Then you have ADB over the net for the developers. You have caffeine, NFC and all other stuffs added. You also have Pi over here, which I guess it doesn't work. I have set it for the right, but there is no way to like enable it. Then you have the weather data, which is nothing new. You also have screen record. You can also quickly play your music through here. You have smart bar, just shit ton of stuff. That's why I don't like Resurrection Remix. Nitrogen OS would be my lifetime favorite, because Resurrection Remix is just blown out. You have everything which you don't even need in your daily life. Ambient display on and off. You have app circle. Then you have the LT icon, which is just disappeared. Then you also have music visualizer in your navigation bar. And that's pretty much it for the Resurrection Remix review. I know I made it quick because there are many bugs over here. Once it gets fixed with the camera, VoLTE and stuff, I would make another review which would be an in-depth one. And yeah guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.